fellow human species and anything else watching us out there, and welcome to our second episode of the Three Goobers.
Today, we have decided to enter a game show called Are You Dumber Than Your Grandmother?
And this game show is about finding out who has a better IQ, you or your grandma, through a series of biology questions.
Okay, we are experts in any type of science, so let's kick some butt.
Are you ready to play? Are you dumber than your grandmother?
Well, what if I were to say no, because my grandmother is actually hell of a smart?
You're funny, but I don't really care what you have to say. Come on, let's get this over with and give an A to this group of kids in their episode video project. Besides, we changed the rules. You won't be playing against your grandma. Most of them aren't available. You will be playing against yourself.
My grandma's still alive.
Sorry.
But that's no competition. My grandma was smarter than these losers.
Oh, already talking mess, bro. Well, let's see who will get crowned the rocket scientist here.
Ooh, this is getting good. But guys, I don't really see the point in winning this thing. The only thing you win is this thing called the Nobel Peace Prize.
No Peace Prize? Oh, hell yeah. It's gonna be on like Donkey Kong.
But what are you waiting for? Round one. What is mutualism and give an example?
It is when both organisms apparently benefit, like when me and my girlfriend called it quits, we both agreed it was the best thing for us if it was mutual.
No, it wasn't. She broke up with him. It was brutal. He cried.
Well, that's embarrassing. Anyway, 20 points for Ian and 300 for Einstein.
What?
Don't worry, points don't matter in this game. Okay, what's predation?
Yeah.
You're preying on other animals, just like those wild beasts killed Mufasa on the Lion King.
Leo, that was an accident. But wasn't considered me to come with besides, we didn't eat them, so that doesn't really count.
I don't care what you think.
Half a negative point for Da Vinci and 5 points for Ian. What's parasitism?
When one organism benefits and the other is negatively affected. For example, like those ugly fleas sucking the blood out of my poor kitty.
Cool. 2 points. What's competition?
Symbiotic relationship between living things for resources such as food, space, shelter. For example, when we order pizza, we have to compete for the last slice. Sometimes we end up getting hurt.
Hunger Games.
Well, unhealthy relationship, 1,000 points. What's commensalism?
It is the association of one organism benefits. Another is not affected. Example, Emo and his own.
Nice example. 1 point. What's evolution?
Change in the gene pool of a population from generation to generation by mutation, natural selection, and generation drift. Genetic drift.
Negative 2 points.
-2?
That's right, I said negative. Though you got it right. I love this game. Points don't matter. Gosh, I want a sandwich. Anyway, what structure are common in the fossil record, suggesting they come from a common ancestor?
Homologous, their vestigial structure.
Perfect, no points. Sorry, but we're out of that. We're out. What role does DNA play in evolution?
DNA affects appearance and behavior of an organism. When it is changed, it causes evolution.
You with the stash. Does the genetic structure of an individual change the population over time?
Evolution would change both an individual and the population.
Hello? What do you mean this is the bank? This isn't deal or no deal? Okay. Bank wants to offer you a C+ if you stop the video right now. Would you take it?
What do you think, guys?
No, we want an A.
Okay, no deal?
Mission.
Okay, no deal? We're going for the A.
Okay. State all 5 kingdoms.
Fungi, which has mushroom and mold. Plantae, which has plants and trees. Animalia, which has sponge and jellyfish. Monera, bacteria. And Protista, cellular organisms.
What's natural selection?
The organisms with genotypic qualities to survive reproduce. A member. The most intelligent specimen does survive. An example of natural selection due to humankind is the peppered moth. I believe that's what it's called. At first, there would only be light formed of this, but after the Industrial Revolution, dark forms began to come out.
That's truly amazing. What are the different biomes?
There's the tundra, temperate forest, desert, taiga, grassland, and tropical rainforest. Plants will adapt to the separate climate by developing characteristics like big wings to something and more sunlight, deeper, thicker roots to take in more H2O.
Wonderful. We're bringing points back, and you get 7-11. Okay, now in this part of the segment, I will show you a picture of a cell. I will point at a part, and you will say its name and function.
Whoa! Where does this come from?
Uh-oh.
Holy sh... What is this sorcery?
Uh-oh.
Okay. It's a table.
Quit touching it. It won't harm you.
You can start. Oh, so what is this?
Oh, that's a eukaryotic cell. Almost forgot.
And this?
That's a mitochondria. Wait. Yeah, that's a mitochondria. And that's the site for cellular transportation. It transforms energy in organic molecules to AOP.
And this?
Vacuum, and that stores materials, stores materials, wastewater, and maintains hydroelastic pressure.
That?
Oh, that's a nucleus. It contains heredity materials known as chromosomes that act as a control center for cell activities and contains cell division.
Last but not least?
That's the plasma membrane, and it encloses cell contents. Regulates movement of materials in and out of the cell and helps maintain cell shape.
Good, good. You all get 69 points. Now, what type of cell is this one?
Prokaryote, and the part where your finger is a something, and it is a cell by sperm cells and some unicellular organisms.
Those dots are ribosomes. They build up proteins by translating messages sent from DNA.
The lines that form eights in the middle are nuclear area, which is a region in the cytoplasm, which contains DNA. Here, there is no membrane.
The thin layer around it is the plasma membrane. Something cells
Consists of contact, remember?
Yeah, movement of materials and in and out of the cell and helps maintain the cell shape.
Awesome, 2 points each. Okay, what's the difference between a plant and an animal cell?
Plant has chloroplast, that one word, and it's only in plant cells. Also, the cell walls are different, and the vacuole are very large.
Amazing, 5 points. Okay, what's photosynthesis and how does it relate with cellular respiration?
I got that one. Photosynthesis is the process which carbon dioxide, water, and certain inorganic salts are converted into carbohydrates by green plants, algae, and certain bacteria using energy from sun and chlorophyll. Cellular, it relates in that photosynthesis, malate ATP, then cellular respiration breaks it down to create a food.
Nice said, 1 point. What are the similarities and differences in viruses and bacteria?
Viruses do not have ribosomes, while bacteria are fully structured. Both viruses and bacteria can either be harmful or not harmful.
Of course, 17 points. Now tell me the body systems and what do they do?
Newton? How about you start to beat?
I'm gonna be.
You ain't got no beat? Okay, I got this. Alright, ready? And a 1.
Circular system, spills and veins, blood and heart, it sends oxygen to that one special part.
And the digestive system deals with the stomach. It is as simple as that. It breaks down your food, helping you not to get fat.
Endocrine system glands that help you develop and grow, and you will get an A while you listen to me spin my flow.
Muscular system moves, protects, and controls temperature in the body. so that you will never get too cold or neither too hotty.
Oh, nervous system communication with the brain, so that you will always know when you're feeling pain. Ow.
Reproductive system, the organs that will help you a baby produce, whose name the mother will obviously choose.
Respiratory system with the lungs and help you keep breathing. And if it never stops to work, then you
to death would have to
And
be
it would-
bleeding.
and if it never stops to work, then you to death would have to be bleeding.
Skeletal system which holds up your body with bones, and that it can be broken if hit with sticks and stones.
Urinary system consists of kidney, and your little bladder to keep it balanced between waste, electrolyte, and water.
Intimately protects you with your hair, nails, and skin from getting ill. But just make sure you take your medicine and your pill.
Last but not least is lymphatic system that helps fight disease. But don't forget to stay healthy and eat all your peas. Word!
Whoa, that was wonderful. 1 million points, and you gained record. Last question that will determine the winner of Are You Dumber Than Your Grandmother is, who can lend me $500?
Wait, what?
What?
I'm just messing with you. It is what is DNA replication process, and what role does tRNA and mRNA play in it?
Before cell enters mitosis, the DNA replicates itself in humans and equals 92 chromosomes.
mRNA will code and replicate the DNA.
tRNA will have amino acids formed coregens that will form a long chain that will create proteins.
Okay, well that concludes the game. Let me accumulate the points and the math in my head.
I thought points didn't matter.
Yeah, they don't. And the winner of Are You Dumber Than Your Grandmother and the recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize is me!
Wait, you weren't even participating in the game.
I won because I kept peace throughout the game. Did you fight between each other?
No.
Exactly. Besides, I told you I needed $500. I think you could sell this Nobel Peace Prize in eBay and maybe get $300. Bye, users.
That game shall suck.
Yeah, just join us next time for the 3 Goobers.
Yeah.